Hello, Team 6-1 Social Studies students. This is Mr. Bush, and this is a screencast with information for Monday, March the 8th, and Tuesday, March the 9th. Today, Tuesday, March the 9th, we talked a little bit about what was expected of students over the last day or so when it came to Athens and Sparta. So we started the Ancient Greece unit last week. Students did some analysis of Greek mythology, gods and goddesses. They also did some analysis of Introduction to Greece and Greek geography. Located in Monday's folder were two items that I wanted students to take a look at. Computer load here. The first was just a TED Ed video on ancient Athens, and that video was about 4.5 minutes. So students will watch this video.
It's 427 BCE, and the worst internal conflict ever to occur in the ancient Greek world is in its 4th year. The Peloponnesian War is being fought between the city-states of Athens.
So students can watch that. It's about 4 minutes. And this video is entitled A Day in the Life of the Athenians. So it really goes into some details introducing ancient Athens. After students have watched that video, wanted students to go into the Athens chart assignment, which is when students open up their copy of it, it will look like this. This is my finished copy for everybody. So at the very top of this assignment, it says, read the following text one section at a time. After you've read a section, take notes on important information in the chart that follows. Then continue reading each section and taking notes in the chart. So together on Monday and Tuesday, whether it was in person or live on Google Meets today, we did the first part together. We did location. So we read it out loud together, and then we went down into the box on the final page and put in the notes that Athens is located in central Greece near the Aegean Sea. Athens developed strong trading relationships with their neighbors. So it kind of modeled for the students what to do that first time. So for each section or each page, you will read the little bit of reading. So the second one is government. You'll take a look there, and I'm asking that students put at least 2 pieces of notes for each section of the reading. So students will wind up with all 6 sections filled in. The expectation was that this is done by Tuesday evening so that students stay on track for this week. So Monday and Tuesday we're working on Athens and completing this chart. On Wednesday and Thursday we will have a very similar discussion, but just with the city of Sparta instead. Students will have a second chart, the Spartan text and chart assignment, completed by Thursday afternoon. And then the final culminating activity, the product grade for this week, will be the students taking their charts from both Athens and Sparta and deciding which they would rather live in if they lived back in during ancient Greek times. So they will tell me which city-state they would rather live in and why, using information from their charts. So I want to get this Athens assignment out of the way. That way on Wednesday and Thursday, students can start working on the Sparta information. So all of the Sparta stuff is located in Wednesday's folder. Once again, there's a TED Ed video, and students can start the chart. So in Wednesday's red folder, TED Ed video about Sparta, and then the Sparta chart. So we will reconvene again Thursday afternoon to discuss the Sparta chart, any questions that students might have, and we will also introduce that final culminating You Choose activity. So if you're working on Wednesday and you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. I look forward to seeing you all soon, and I will talk to you later. Bye, everybody.